Ever dream of having your own expense card, but flinch at the fees traditional business cards bring? Maybe you're a freelancer or run a side hustle, drowning in receipts and yearning for a simpler way to track your business spending. Well, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Airwallex to see if it can be your personal expense management knight in shining armor. Traditional expense cards, a double-edged sword. Let's face it, business expense cards offer undeniable perks. Convenience, real-time tracking, and the ability to separate business from personal spending are a dream come true for many. But here's the rub, those fancy features often come with hefty fees. Monthly subscriptions, per transaction charges, and foreign exchange markups can quickly turn your expense card into a budget black hole. Airwallex, a challenger emerges. This is where Airwallex enters the ring. Airwallex is a financial platform designed primarily for businesses, but hear me out. One of its features is a virtual expense card. Now, the big question, can you, as an individual, leverage this card for personal use? The short answer, kind of. The answer is, it depends. While Airwallex doesn't explicitly advertise its cards for personal use, there are no clear terms prohibiting it either. However, there are some key things to consider before diving in. 1. Not built for personal finance. Airwallex is designed for businesses, meaning features like expense reports and integrations with bookkeeping software might be lacking. You'll likely need to find alternative solutions for managing your personal finances alongside the card. 2. Potential compliance issues. While using the card for personal expenses might not be explicitly forbidden, it could raise red flags with Airwallex if a significant portion of your spending falls outside what they consider business expenses. This could lead to account suspension or limitations. 3. Limited customer support. Since the card isn't intended for personal use, customer support might not be as readily available or equipped to handle personal finance-related issues. 4. Fees can still bite. While Airwallex might seem fee-free on the surface, there are hidden costs to be aware of. International transaction fees, ATM withdrawal charges, and potential inactivity fees can all chip away at your savings. So, is Airwallex right for you? Here's the honest truth, Airwallex for personal expenses is a gamble. It might work for limited use cases, but the lack of dedicated features, potential compliance issues, and limited support make it a risky proposition. Alternative solutions. Consider exploring options specifically designed for personal expense management. There are a growing number of free and low-cost debit cards with helpful budgeting features and clear fee structures. The final takeaway. While Airwallex offers a tempting proposition, it's probably best left to businesses for its intended purpose. For personal expenses, explore dedicated solutions that offer a more tailored and secure experience. Remember, responsible spending is key. No matter which tool you choose, make sure you understand the fees and use your card wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.